Hey yun, happy birthday. What? Tell me if it's a go.
Go. It's been going.
Hey
Hey,
yun,
I'm
happy
drunk. Happy
birthday. Sorry, hubog ko.
Hi, niece. Happy birthday.
What up, twin? What up, Yun?
What's up, Camille?
Yun?
Happy
I'm
birthday.
sorry. It's like they're drunk.
I'm sorry, hubog ko sa mo.
We're
Sorry.
like so awesome now, and yeah, whatever. Oh fuck. Hi, Chavin.
Ay, wait lang. Milot, happy birthday.
Mila. Who's Mila?
Yes.
I don't know who was that.
Oh.
Who's Milot? Who's Milot?
That's her nickname.
How
her nickname.
dare you? How dare you nickname my twin?
Hi, happy
I give you
birthday.
permission to date my twin, but not nickname her.
Why are you recording that? Why were you recording that?
Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, I'm sorry I'm drunk, but happy birthday to the both of you. Hope you guys have a very amazing 18th birthday. See you guys soon.
Twin, you're 18 now. You should be more responsible like me. You should drink more often, okay?
That's not being responsible,
Okay.
officer.
You should be like me.
Shut up, Ram. You're not 18 yet.
You should be like
Yeah,
me.
but I'm the responsible one here.
I don't care. I love it. Like, bye. Hello. Yeah.
Happy birthday, guys.
Sleep.
Love you guys.
Malihi ko.
Bye.